What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Spotify cover in the style that they use with their playlists when they do This Is Michael Jackson, This Is The Weeknd, This Is Drake. I'm going to be using Photoshop for this one, and might not be using the same fonts as Spotify, but we'll try to get as close as possible. So the first thing you want to do is create a new document in Photoshop. So you go to File, New, and for this video and for almost any other square file that most people make, you're going to use 1080 by 1080. And then over here we're just going to keep it at 72. So the first thing we're going to do on this new file is we're going to add the background, and I already had this folder ready with the pre-made backgrounds, so we're just going to drag in the blue. Next thing would be to just drag the whitish part for the top, and we're just gonna make this, stretch it out a little bit. So hold shift down, pull it up, and over here it's kind of at least a third of the file, so we're gonna push it up a bit. Seems about right. For this video I'll just copy the text I had over here. So the Spotify designs, they have pretty much this is, and then the text under it is usually in bold. So you just want to keep this separated. Next thing you want to do is you're gonna cut out whoever you want to put in the cover. This is Kichan Pavon from LA Galaxy. Shout out Lorena for taking this picture. But yeah, what you want to do here is basically just cut out whoever the main person is in the picture. So you go to the select tool over here, and just get as close as you can to the fine details. So once you have this, you just want to click Command J. It's gonna create a new layer with just the subject, whatever you had selected. So when you have this one, you want to click Command C on this new layer, and you just go ahead and paste it into this one. So once you have them there, for this video I kind of had them in black and white in the previous designs, but usually it's going to be in color. So if you want to make it black and white, you press down Command Shift A, and then go up here, and you would have clicked back black and white. So that's how it ended up like this. Then to kind of, I guess, add a little contrast to the image, what I did in the original design over here is I added a second layer, which was just a copy of the same one over here. Put it right on top of the other one, so you can see it kind of adds. It's a little different, but yeah, there you have the subject all together. Actually, I'm gonna move up the white a little bit. Yeah, I think it was a little higher. It looks fine. Next thing you want to do here is you want to add a little noise to everything. So you're gonna select up from the title to the background, pressing down Shift, and you're gonna click Command G. From there, we're just gonna call it content with noise. And you want to go up here to filter, convert it for smart filters. You're converting the entire thing. And go to noise. We're going to put it up by 5. So that's with noise, without noise. It's a little different, but it kind of adds that kind of grainy texture to it. Last thing over here, you can see this hat has a little dust on top, so gonna go ahead and just drag a dust texture on top of it. Press down Option, or however you want to transform it, and we're just gonna lighten this. So without, and that's just a little extra detail. And lastly, the final touch would just be to add your logo either at the top left, I guess, or the bottom right corner. Just gonna put it at the top left and at 50% opacity. Just gonna a little higher. And once you have that, the last thing you want to do is, if you know, this is just a preference, you'll decide if you want to do it or not, but I think this could use a little more brightness, so I'm just gonna put it up a bit. And you can go down here, go to brightness and contrast. We'll just put it up to about 20. Looks fine. Then to export it, you go up to File, Export, Save for Web, Quality 100, Optimized, 1080, save. Let's name it whatever. Oh shit. So, no. Yeah. One sec. So there you have it. That's the final version right there. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. And any video ideas for other tutorials, always appreciated. As always, you know, if you like soccer, if you like North American soccer, design, photography, go ahead and follow Club 11. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, catch you guys in the next episode.